Did you know that you can still edit smoothly in Davinci Resolve even you have slow computer or laptop? So I've got here 3 ways to fix laggy Davinci Resolve so it runs smoothly. The third one is my favorite. Let's go. By the way, this little thing right here is an indicator of whether you're having laggy playback in Davinci Resolve. If it's green, it means Davinci Resolve can handle your playback smoothly. If it turns red, it means you're experiencing laggy playback. The number next to it represents the frames per seconds it's playing. Let's start with number 1, generate optimized media. This feature creates easier to process versions of your clip, so Resolve doesn't have to work as hard. It reduces lag, especially if your clips are heavy or full of effects. So to do this, find the clip that's causing you lag. Usually, it's the one with too many effects. So let's say this is the clip that's super laggy. What you wanna do is right click and click generate optimized media. Okay? Now, the section you generated optimized media for will now play smoothly. Number 2, render cache. Render cache allows Davinci Resolve to pre-render the parts of your timeline in the background. This means it converts the slow or heavy sections into smooth playable files so your playback doesn't stutter. To do this, click playback, over to render cache and click smart. You'll notice your timeline has a red line. That's the slow part. Then it slowly becomes blue. Once it's blue, that part is fully rendered and can play smoothly without lag. Of course, if you make any edits in that area, it turns red again and Resolve will re-render it to keep the playback smooth. Number 3, set your playback timeline resolution. This is my favorite. So what this does is it lowers the playback quality only while you're editing. So the Davinci Resolve need less power to play the video. Don't worry, this does not affect your exported video. Your final output will still be in full quality. It just makes the editing experience smoother by reducing the lag inside Resolve. To do this, click playback, hover to timeline playback resolution and click quarter. And there you have it. I hope this video helps your editing. If you like this video, share it with your friends. And more importantly, don't forget to subscribe.